Are you looking for the best air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NuWave OxyPure. The best air purifier for homes is the NuWave OxyPure. This premium model's main selling point is its multi-stage filtration system, which uses washable and reusable filters to cut down on recurring costs. This system comprises a stainless steel mesh pre-filter for larger debris, 2 BioGuard filters, for mold, viruses, and bacteria, an ozone filter, and a HEPA/pellet type activated carbon filter. Except for the HEPA/activated carbon filter, which requires yearly replacement, all parts are purported to have a 20-year lifespan, only needing a wash every couple of months. In terms of actual air purification performance, the NuWave is very good overall, with strong particle filtration across the board and an impressively high clean air delivery rate. It features built-in particle sensors, allowing it to monitor and adjust fan speed according to ambient air quality, eliminating the need to adjust settings during your workday. This air purifier features Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to operate it remotely using the NuWave Connect companion app from anywhere. You can also use the app to check the quality of your home's air, set operating schedules, or change the device's settings. This air purifier operates pretty quietly at lower fan speeds, which is ideal for overnight operation, but it can get somewhat loud at higher fan speeds. If noise is a concern, consider the Dyson Purifier Big Plus Quiet Formaldehyde BP04/BP03, but be aware that it falls short of the NuWave in terms of clean air delivery rate. Number 2. Levoit Vital 200S. The Levoit Vital 200S is the best air purifier we've tested at a mid-range price point. Its filtration system is simpler than the NuWave OxyPures, with no extra BioGuard or ozone filters. Additionally, it can't match the clean air delivery rate or particle filtration performance of the NuWave's more premium offering, making it less suited for larger rooms. However, it's still powerful enough to provide clean air for small to medium-sized rooms. While its main filter isn't HEPA-rated, it still does a fantastic job of capturing fine particles like pollen or pet dander, comparable to many similar models that feature HEPA-rated filters. Like the NuWave, you can also connect this device to a home Wi-Fi network, allowing for remote operation and live monitoring of your room's ambient air quality. If you want the added peace of mind that comes with a HEPA-rated unit, the Wynix 5500-2 is an excellent alternative that provides similar performance. Notably, the Wynix is also equipped with a particle ionizer. Particle ionizers cause smaller airborne particles to clump together and fall to the ground, where you can clean them up later. The problem is that they also produce ozone as a byproduct, which can irritate your lungs with prolonged exposure. That said, you can always turn off the ionizer. The Wynix isn't Wi-Fi enabled, so you can't operate it while you're away from home. Number 3. Levoit Core 200S. If you want to spend as little as possible and only need something for a smaller room, the Levoit Core 200S is the best budget air purifier we've tested. This device is small enough to fit on a dresser or shelf, yet delivers relatively impressive overall filtration. It lags behind larger machines, such as the Levoit Vital 200S, with a considerably lower air cleaning rate and poorer overall performance when sealing in the smallest airborne particles. However, it's still far from terrible in this regard, even if it's best suited for a bedroom or nursery. You'll also need to replace its main filter more frequently than the Vital 200S, at an interval of 6 to 8 months instead of a year. While the 200S lacks an automatic fan speed adjustment setting, it's Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to pair it with your smartphone via the VE-Sync companion app to operate the device remotely, set operating schedules, or receive filter replacement notifications.